another beautiful day hauling junk. Today we're going to Orange Cove, California, the big OC. Alright, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys what I pick up. I'll try to film it, but I don't know if the homeowner will let me, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? We just finished right here. It's windy. Yeah, but we're off to the dump. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, we're rolling to the dump because it's raining and it gets pretty muddy up there. Hopefully we don't get stuck or we can beat the rain there, but we'll see what happens right now. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, we got rained out. It's raining. I don't have nothing scheduled for today, so I will be taking this to the dump tomorrow instead. Hopefully I get something in the area so I don't waste double fuel. And just stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.